100 subscribers. In my last video, I said, let's hit 60 subscribers, guys. Yeah, we did hit 60 subscribers. Pretty quickly, actually. And now we're on 110 something. Before I teach you guys how to make the perfect breakfast, I just want to say thank you to Jimothy Peterson and Nightmare for commenting and subscribing. I rate you guys. The first step to a perfect breakfast is obviously the tea. We've already made that. Step 1 done. The second step is to prepare the toast. One singular slice of bread into the toaster. Step 2 done. And the last step is to eat it raw, like the savage human that you are. Subscribe. Actually, I'm forgetting something. The final thing that you should do after making a breakfast is to give it a long look.
Got it!
This is actually when I normally have my breakfast. 5:08.